So say LegICY.
My ice way better than yours. Made in the USA. You wanna keep me serving up some legacy.
Nothing like that ice, baby. Now it's time to break it. Bombs bursting over the air.
Now it's time I take it.
So patriotic, we the best, we were chosen. Legacy, we got the whole USA frozen.
Spell it out, ICE. You can't do it just like me. Battle with this hair for that legacy.
Cause I'm proud to be a LegICY.
It's gon' get real cold when you approach the ice. I hope you really know that my team ready to ride. Legacy is the name, and that with our icy wide. Yeah, we bring the cold frame. You know we stay icy fly.
The proud and the free starts with me. Never letting anything overthrow me. Stars and stripes, representing victory. It's freedom, yeah, this is legacy.
See a shining sea. Come and taste this LegICY.
My country tears of thee, sweet land of ICE. Can't break this nation, hold it strong. You are liberty. American proud we stand. Pride is the lifestyle. Freedom ain't the only thing. Bring it size me now.
I'm proud to be a LegICY, where at least I know I'm me. And I won't forget who made me fly, who gave that life to me.
Proud to be a member of my squad to the fullest. Yeah, weapons up, hit 'em with an ice bullet.
We will fight for our freedom. What does freedom mean to you?
No matter where I am around this big globe, there's only one place that I go home. From Southern California, surfing the waves, to New York City, walking down Broadway. Red, white, and blue. I'm proud to say my country forever is the USA.
Say, can you see? We the kids of legacy. So cold will make you shiver. Down, down, and we deliver.
LegICY.
Well, that was ICE LegICY from Barrington.